Hello everybody. I am going to introduce to you the Roboikits 14-in-1 educational solar robot. This kit allows you to assemble plastic parts in order to create different robot models which are all powered by the sun. You do not need any tools or batteries for this kit. You can easily switch between the models, and I will show you the 14 models on the back. There are 2 levels of models, pardon me for the glare, but here they are all together. The Turtlebot is the first model, which is what I am going to build. I hope to be able to demonstrate them all in a separate video, but I may have to do it outside because my room does not get too much light. Now the parts come on different color-coded boards in which you have to cut them free. For the most part, some are by themselves. Here's the manual for the toy, and here are all the plastic parts. The boards are lettered. There's A, B, C, and E. It's once again important to cut the parts completely. You may need a pair of pliers or scissors. I use scissors, but you may want to use pliers because you don't want to damage the parts. Here are the mechanical parts, which are separate. And then there's a boat, a cardboard boat that you fold. And there are bags in which you can separate and sort the different components. I'm going to open the box and show you the parts close up. See, the different parts are held together, and you have to snip them from the boards. I already snipped some of them out so that I could build my first project. And here are the different bags. There are labels on each bag that tell you which parts should go in which bags. And in addition to those, you also have stickers. I used most of them already. You have to put the stickers on the appropriate parts. In all, there are 9 bags where you can easily sort your parts so you can get to them when you need them. Here they give you tips for what to do if your parts are stuck together. Different examples. Here's how to assemble the boat module, but that would be very difficult. I'm confident though I can eventually figure it out when I need to use it. I don't have to use it until I get to the very advanced models. Now here's how to assemble the main body, or the gearbox of the robot. And I have the gearbox right here. This is the solar cell that will power it, and then you should be able to connect the body here. Now I'm going to see if I can operate it, because actually my room faces west and it is evening now. Yep, there it goes. It receives a lot of sunlight actually in the evening, so it's almost 6 o'clock, so the sun will power that. Once I connect other parts, then you'll have a big interesting robot to play with and watch. Lastly, I'm going to show you the different projects. You have 2 levels. Here are the basic level 1 projects. And then here are the level 2 projects. Then they tell you what you need to, what parts you'll need for each one. The manual is not color-coded, so it may be a little tricky, but a tip is always look at the numbers on the sections of the boards where the parts are. For instance, if you need part A2, what you would do is go to the A board, and I think I didn't cut it out yet, but you would go to A2 and cut these parts out. Now you may need one part or two, most likely two or more of the same part, so it will show you how many times you'll need each part. It's recommended that you gather all the parts you need before assembling. It's always good to test the gearbox before you assemble your robot, because you do not want to do all that work only to find that the gearbox is not working. You may have to do some disassembly to repair it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I am looking forward to demonstrating and showing you the different models.